And we realized we were doing research in partnership with youth, but we weren't doing problem solving in partnership with youth. And so, we started to get it.
And so the barrier is about being able to bridge the gap between people who in principle say they support but actually are terrified or resistant or too conservative or their egos are too fragile or whatever it is, to be able to accept that possibly they need to be part of that change process.
People that are younger than me, people that are the same age as me, and people that are older than me are all in this room because they all give a damn about youth mental health.
I'm so much more than my words, but I'm nothing more than a poem. Thank you.
Join great colleagues like this from across the globe and to share ideas. And I think that's probably the most powerful thing, sharing ideas and experiences.
If you don't have enemies in a reform process, then you're not actually doing anything. If there isn't resistance, then you're not changing anything. And the biggest enemy is the status quo, because inertia is just incredibly hard to shift.
Dignity is reborn. I think we return young people to their dignity. And I think in doing that, we're also returned to our own dignity.
If we can look back and think about what we needed at that time, then I think we're definitely headed in the right direction.
I just wish this movement had got started 20 years earlier and you'd been here for me when I was a young teenager.
That was me a long time ago. That's exactly what I was struggling with. That's the things that I couldn't talk about, the depths that I went into, and I sure wish that this was around back then.
Always remember to be who you needed when you were younger.